Hi guys, Mathman Science Baker back here with another video, and today we're going to be discussing true ruminants. So true ruminants are basically animals with 4 chambers in the stomach, and those 4 chambers are the rumen, the reticulum, the omasum, and the abomasum. So we'll start with the biggest one, that's the rumen, and it also contains millions of microbes that help break down plant material into digestible components. It also has millions of villi as well in the surface, and that essentially starts the absorption of fermented products. And then next we have the reticulum. So the reticulum has a honeycomb structure, and that's where sort of the heavy objects and the large ones will kind of gather, so they don't move on throughout the stomach. Because say for example, if you're a cow and you're grazing and you accidentally digest a stone, or ingest a stone, you don't want to carry that on throughout your digestive system, so that's basically where it stays. It also has a honeycomb structure, and it is where the fermentation will continue. And so the next chamber in the stomach is the omasum. Now this is also called the book stomach, mainly because it has lots and lots and lots of different layers of what looks like paper, as you'd see in a book. Well, not doesn't look like paper, but it has sort of that kind of structure if you look on a book sideways. And within there it has lots of membranes that squeeze out water, and that water is then reabsorbed and forced back into the rumen, which helps with regurgitation. So last but not least, we have our last chamber in the stomach, which is called the abomasum, and the abomasum is basically where the protein is digested by the pepsin under acidic conditions. So that's all the stomachs. Another quick thing about true ruminants is that when they are chewing their food or the grass, it'll actually go down into the reticulum, where it will then basically form chunks called cud, and then it'll be regurgitated back up, and they'll chew it again, and then eventually it'll go down into the animal's stomach again. So anyway, thank you very much for tuning in today for a little really kind of brief session about true ruminants. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and if you didn't, then please suggest some other content that I could do or how to improve. Anyway, thank you very much, and see you later.